Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Uh, in the previous video, we saw the first part of this story. Today, we are going to look at the last part of the story. What was the story? Muru'ah wa wafa. Okay, so where have we been? Qala Hanzala. Okay, Hanzala said, وَمَا أَصْنَعُ بِالدُّنْيَا بَعْدَ نَفْسِي وَمَا أَصْنَعُ. What I will do. Okay, what is the purpose with dunya, with this dunya? What is the purpose of this dunya? Ba'da, after, nafsi, after myself. That means after my death. If you kill me, or after my death, what I would do with this dunya? There is no benefit of it. There is no necessity of having this dunya. If I die, ba'da nafsi, after my death, after I will be killed, what I would do, ma asna'u, with this dunya. Who said? Hanzala said. Then Nu'man said, the king, he said, innahu la sabila ilayha. There is no way, la sabila. That will be happened. You will be killed, la sabila ilayha. There is no way to escape the death. There is no way to prevent your death. You must be killed, la sabil. There is no way. Then qala, Hanzala said, فَإِنْ كَانْ, if the thing is like that, if you want to kill, la buddha, if you must kill me, if you want to kill me, then فَأَجِّلْنِي, give me some time. Ajjala yu'ajjilu means giving me or sparing me. All right, give me some time. Asa, all right, soon. And azura ahli, give me some time so that I can visit my family. I can see my family members. Azura, Zara yazuru means visiting. Ahli means ailati, family. All right, you want to kill me, I understand. Now please give me ajilni, give me some times, and azura ahli, so that I can visit my family members. Fa'usiya ilayhim, then I will make a will for them. Usi, awsa, yusi means making a will or distributing the wealth, distributing the assets to the members of the family members, because he will be dead. Then how the wealth will be distributed into the family members? So he wants to distribute the wealth or distribute the property, distribute the assets. He wants to visit his family members. فَأُوصِي لَهُمْ, I will distribute my wealth or property into them. وَأُهَيِّ حَالَهُمْ, and they are not ready for their life. I was the one who used to earn money for them. So if I die, who will take care of them? That's why please give me some time. I want to prepare halahum. I want to prepare their condition. I want to make their condition situation better, so that if they can survive after my death, okay, if they can make their own bread, if they can make their own money after my death, I want to وَأُهَيِّ hayya ayuhayyu, preparing someone. All right, I will prepare their condition. ثُمَّ أَرْجِعُ إِلَيْكَ, and after that I will come back. I will come back to you. All right, I'm telling you, I'm promising, it's my promise, it's my commitment that give me some time. I will go to my family, I will make their condition better, and ثُمَّ أَرْجِعُ إِلَيْكَ, and I will come back again to kill me, no problem. Then قال النعمان, Nu'man said, لا بد من كفيل, you have to have a guarantor, you have to have a sponsor, you have to have a person who will guarantee that he will come back. How can I let you go? No, you have to have a kafil. Kafil means sponsor, who will be your substitution. Okay, la budda min kafilin, who will guarantee, yadman, who will guarantee li, to me, that audatak, you will return, you will come back. There must be a person as your substitution, who will guarantee to me he will you're returning, who will guarantee that you will come back, audatak, you're returning, who will guarantee you're returning. I cannot let you go in any ways. Then فنظر حنظلة. Then Hanzala looked at إلى شريك ibn Amr. Then he looked at Sharik ibn Amr. Who was Sharik ibn Amr? Sharik ibn Amr was Musa'id al-Nu'man. He was the assistant. All right. He was the personal assistant of Nu'man, King Nu'man. وكان واقفا. And Sharik ibn Amr was standing up next to him. بجواره. بجواره means next to him. Beside him. واقفا means standing up. Hanzala looked at him. فقال له. Then he told him. Who told? Hanzala told to Sharik ibn Amr in a poetic way. All right, in a poetic way, he said, Ya Sharik, Ya ibn Amr. O Sharik, O ibn Amr, Hal min al maut mahala. Is there any way to escape the death? Mahala means to avoid the death. Min al maut. Is there any way to escape the death? Mahala means escape or avoid min al maut from the death. Can I stay away from the death? Ya akha kulli musabin. Oh, the brother of all the troubles. You are the brother of all the troubles. That means whoever falls in trouble, you always help. Kulli musab. All the troubles. You are a helper. Please help me. Then he also said, addressed, Ya akha man la akhala. Oh, brother of the person who doesn't have a brother. Okay, he addressed in a tender voice, in a soft emotion. He said that, Ya akha man la akhala, akha man la akhala. Oh, brother of the person who doesn't have a brother. Okay, if any person doesn't have a brother, you always wants to help him, right? So you are the brother of that person. You are the brother of that distressed, poor person. Then he said, Ya akhad Nu'man, oh brother of Nu'man, fukkal yawm daifan. uh, you know, release today. Fukka means release. Okay, let me go. Al-yawm, today. Daifan. I am as a guest. I'm like a guest here. Please, uh, let me go today. قد أتالا. The guest today came here to you. All right. So I'm just a guest here. I wanted to come here to meet Malik and Norman, but he wants to kill me. So please let me go today as a guest. I'm just a guest. I'll come back. Please help me. Please be my guarantor. Please be my substitution. I will come back. But فرفض شريك أن يكون كفيله. But he refused. Sharik ibn Amr refused to become his substitution. He didn't want to take his responsibility. Right? He refused. He denied to become his responsibility, or he denied to take the responsibility of Hanzala. فَوَثَبَ إِلَيْهِ. At that time came forward or jumped رَجُلٌ. A man came in front of. All right, jump in front of. Ismuhu. His name was what? Qurat ibn Ajda. His name was Qurat ibn Ajda. He came forward to help Hanzala. Then Qurat ibn Ajda told, فَقَالَ لِلنُّعْمَانِ. He told Nu'man, هُوَ عَلَيَّ. All right, he's on me. Let him go. He's on me. Huwa. He is alayya means on me. He's on me means I took his responsibility. Okay, I carried his responsibility. I carried him, no problem. Let him go. I will be his guarantor. I will be his substitution. Who said? Qurat ibn Ajda said. قال النعمان. Then Nu'man said, أفعلت? Did you do that? Are you doing this? You want to be his guarantor? You want to be his sponsor? You want to take his responsibility? You want to be his substitution? قال النعمان. قال قراد ibn Ajda. He said, نعم, yes, أنا أضمنه. I am guaranteeing, or I guarantee about him. Okay, I'm taking his responsibility. فأمر لحنظلة. Then he ordered لحنظلة for Hanzala بخمسمائة ناقة. Then he gave 500 camels to Hanzala. Okay, to take these 500 camels to his home. فمضى إلى أهله. Then Hanzala left the place. He left to his family members. He went to his family members. وقد جعل الأجل. Fixed. جعل means was fixed. Al-ajal means the time frame. What was the time? What was the deadline? The time was fixed for 1 full year. Okay, sanatan kamilatan means one full year. The time he will get to prepare his family members, to help his family members, uh, uh, full 1 year. All right, he got 1 year. He has got 1 year in his hand now to come back again. Norman gave him 1 year to come back again. All right, Ju'ila means fixed. What was fixed? Al ajal. The time was fixed. Sanatan kamidan, a full year. Sanatan kamidan. Wamin yawmihi, from that day. Hada, from this day. Ila mitla dhalika al the same day. Mitla dhalika al min al-am al-qadim. The same day in the next year. From this day to the same day next year. Okay, you will get time from this day to the same day next year. Al-Qadim means next. Misla means ذلك means same day. All right. فلما مر العام, then time the 1 year went by. The 1 year was over. فلما, and when, مرة means past. العام, 1 year passed. وبقي من الأجل يوم, only 1 day left. بقي means left, من الأجل, from the time, from the fixed time, only 1 day. Okay, baqiya yawmu means 1 day is left from the fixed time. Okay, قال النعمان, then Nu'man said لقرات, the person, the substitution of Hanzala, he said, Nu'man, the king said, ما أراك إلا ميتا غدا. Okay, you will be dead, you will definitely be death. That means ما أراك, I cannot see you without becoming death. All right, you must be killed. That means you must be killed. Ma araka, I cannot see you illa, without maitan, without that person tomorrow. You will definitely be a dead person tomorrow. فقال قرات, then Qurat said in a poetic way, فإن يك صدر هذا اليوم ولا, if the beginning of this day is over. فإن يك صدر اليوم, صدر اليوم means the beginning. هذا اليوم means of this day. If the beginning of this day is walla, over, فإن, definitely غدا is there. The tomorrow is here for the person who can wait patiently. That means maybe today is over, no problem. Tomorrow is definitely there. Okay, he will come back. لناظره means one who waits patiently. Definitely for him, tomorrow is there. So this is just a poetic way to say. So then فلما أصبح النعمان ركب خيله, then Nu'man started riding on his horse. أصبح means started riding. ركب means riding. خيله means on his horse. He started riding. واصطحب فرسانه, and his horse warriors. Okay, his horse warriors were accompanying him. His horse warriors were with him. ومعهم الأسحلة, and swords were with them. They all had swords. Al-asliha means swords. All right, they had swords with them. Definitely, I got a call. All right, let me just silence the phone. So they all the horse warriors, they had swords with them. وذهب إلى المكان, and they all went to the place. إلى المكان الذي قابله, where they met. الذي قابله, where they met. فيه حنظلة, where they met Hanzala last year. They all went to that place where they met. They all met Hanzala. وأمر بقتل قرات, and they ordered to kill Qurat. Who ordered? When they got back to that place where they met Hanzala last year, after coming that place, Nu'man ordered to kill Qurat. Hey, kill him, it's time to kill. فأوشك السياف, the executioner, all right, the one who will kill this guy, he's called executioner. He is almost about to kill. وأوشك السياف, he's almost about to kill who? Qurat ibn Ajda أن يقتله. He's almost about to kill. He started cutting his, beheading his head. At that time, فقال له وزراؤه, at that time his ministers told him. Whose ministers? Nu'man's, the king's ministers told him, hey, ليس لك أن تقتله, you have no right to kill him. حتى يكمل يومه, until the day is over. The day is not over. Why are you killing him? You have no right to kill him. You cannot kill him now because the day is still here. The day is still not over. فَتَرَكَهُ, then he left. He didn't kill. The executioner didn't kill him. وَكَانَ النُّعْمَانِ, but in the back of the mind, Numan was trying. كان النعمان يريد. Numan was trying to kill أن يقتل. Numan was trying to kill, subconsciously or secretly, Quradan. He was trying to kill Qurad. لينجو, to release Hanzala. To release Hanzala min al-Qatl, from the death. He was trying to kill Qurad ibn Ajda. He doesn't want to kill Hanzala because one day Hanzala helped a Nu'man. So that's why he was trying to be quick. He was trying to kill him quickly, as early as possible. He doesn't want to kill Hanzala. فَمَا كَادَتِ الشَّمْسُ تَغِيبُ, when the sun was almost setting, when the sun was almost setting, إِذْ ظَهَرَ شَخْصٌ مِّن بَعِيدٍ, a man was appeared. ظَهَرَ means appeared, شَخْصٌ, a man, min ba'idin, from the distance, from long distance, from the distance, a man was appeared when the sun was setting. فَأَمَرَ النُّعْمَانِ, and when he saw that person, Nu'man again started ordered a Sayyid, the executioner, to kill Qurad ibn Ajda. Hey, kill him. Kill Qurad ibn Ajda. فَقِيلَ لَهُ, and he was told again by his ministers, no, لَيْسَ لَكَ, you cannot kill him. لَيْسَ لَكَ أَن تَقْتُلَهُ, you cannot kill him until حَتَّى يَأْتِيَكَ الشَّخْص, until the person comes, فَتَعْلَمَ مَنْ هُوَ, until you know who is that person, who that person is. You cannot kill Qurad ibn Ajda until that person comes in front of us, until you know who that person is. فَتَعْلَمْ مَنْ هُوَ, until you know who is that person. فَانْتَظَرَ حَتَّى وَصَلَ الرَّجُلُ, and they waited حَتَّى, until the person reached. فَإِذَا هُوَ حَنْظَلَ, and who was that? The person was Hanzala. فَلَمَّا, when نَظَرَ إِلَيْهِ النُّعْمَانِ, when Nu'man saw Hanzala, شَقَّ عَلَيْهِ حُضُورُهُ, his presence. حُضُورُهُ means his presence. Hanzala's presence disheartened him. Disheartened Nu'man. He was very sad. He was very disappointed by the presence of Hanzala. He doesn't want to kill Hanzala. Okay, Nu'man doesn't want to kill Hanzala because one day he helped him. So when he came, he was really disappointed upon Hanzala. فقال له, then Nu'man told Hanzala, ما دفعك إلى الرجوع بعد أن نجوت من القتل, what made you come back after you got released from the death? What made you come back? Why did you come back again? بعد أن نجوت, after you got released من القتل, from the death. You know that you can get release. قال, then Hanzala said الوفاء, loyalty, al-wafa, commitment, al-wafa, promise. That was my promise. I cannot break my promise. تأثر النعمان بفعل حنظلة وقوله. After hearing this, he was really moved. Nu'man was really surprised. He was influenced. He was moved by what Hanzala did, by Hanzala's return, and what he said. What Hanzala said, and by Hanzala's return, Nu'man was really surprised. Nu'man was really moved. Okay? Wa'afa, and after that he forgave him. Afa, that means Nu'man forgave him, forgave Hanzala, wa'an Qurad, and he forgave Qurad also. He didn't kill either of them. وَتَرَكَ الْقَتْلَ, and he left killing مُنْذُ ذَلِكَ الْيَوْمِ. Since that day he left killing the people. Since that day, تَرَكَ الْقَتْلَ, he left killing. He decided that he will never kill any person in his life منذ ذلك اليوم, since that day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.